All right, 8th graders, this is to help you with question 7 on CR7. It says, Dan, a 50-year-old man, earned as many dollars as he was seconds old. You've got to be kidding me. Okay. His best friend, Ken, has a lifetime earning of $1,300,000,000. Who earned more and by how much? Explain your answer. Write this difference in scientific notation. Okay, so Dan's 50 years old. We got to figure out how many seconds old he is. Like, you've got to be kidding me. So I have to go from seconds all the way to years. So first of all, let's go to minutes. So 60 seconds is 1 minute. Okay. Oh, I got to go the other way. So he's 50 years old, right? I got to figure out how many seconds in a year. All right, so 1 year is 365 days. Okay, in each of those 365 days, there's 24 hours, correct? So if I multiply that by 24 hours in a day, I'll be able to figure out how many hours in a year. I got to figure out how many seconds in a year and then multiply it by 50. So 5 times 4 is 20. Put down a 0, carry a 2. 4 times 6 is 24, and 2 more is 26. 4 times 3 is 12, and 2 more is 14. 0 placeholder. 2 times 5 is 10. Put down a 0. Carry a 1. 2 times 6 is 12, and 1 is 13. 2 times 3 is 6, and 1 is 7. 0, 6, 4, and 7, or 4 and 3 is 7. 7 and 1 is 8. So is there 8,760 hours in a year? Let me just do 300 times 20 just to make sure I didn't make a mistake. I'm just now estimating. 0, 0, 0. Okay. I was just double checking. So it looks to me like there's 8,760 hours in 1 year. I feel like there should be more than that, but oh well. So now let's convert that to minutes. So if I want to convert that to minutes, I then multiply that by 60 minutes in 1 hour. So I have hours and I want to convert to minutes, I'd multiply by 60. So there's my 0. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 6 is 36. Put down a 6, carry a 3. 6 times 7 is 42. And 3 more is 45. 6 times 8 is 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. 1, 2, 3. So that would tell me that there's 525,600 minutes in 1 year. Now we got to figure out how many seconds, because eventually we got to figure out how many seconds old that 50-year-old is. So there's 60 seconds in a minute. So I multiply this by 60. I got 0. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 6 is 36. Put down a 6, carry a 3. 6 times 5 is 30, and 3 more is 33. 6 times 2 is 12, and 3 more is 15. 6 times 5 is 30, and 1 more is 31. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So is that 31,536,000 seconds in 1 year? All right. Now this man is 50 years old, so now I get to multiply that number by 50. So I got to take 31,536,000 and multiply that by 50. That'll tell me how many seconds in 50 years. So we have a 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 6 is 30. Put down a 0, carry a 3. 5 times 3 is 15, and 3 more is 18. Put down an 8, carry a 1. 5 times 5 is 25, and 1 more is 26. Put down a 6, carry a 2. Just got to erase some of this stuff. Sorry about that. How about 5 times 1 is 5 and 2 more is 7. 5 times 3 is 15. So as long as I haven't made a mistake, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this would be 1,576,800,000. Looks like how much that guy, Dan, earned in his 50 years. So he earned more, right? Who earned more and by how much? So Dan earned more. And if we want to figure out by how much, we would have to take how much Dan earned and subtract off how much his friend Ken earned. So now I have to subtract off 1,300,000,000. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 8 minus 0 is 8. 6 minus 0 is 6. 7 minus 0 is 7. 5 minus 3 is 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it looks like $276,800,000 more. Who earned more and by how much? Dan earned more, and he earned $276,800,000 more dollars. And if they asked me to explain my answer, I would show them just how I figured out how many seconds in 50 years to get the total amount that Dan earned. Write this difference in scientific notation. Sure, why not? So if I have this, I got to move it over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's just double check. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks like 8 places. 2.768 times 10 to the 8th power. Let's just make sure if the decimal point was here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good, 8 numbers after it. So that's that difference in scientific notation. All right, I hope that helped. I think the big kicker here is figuring out how many seconds in 50 years. Let's hope I didn't make a mistake with that. Oops, sorry about that. Let's hope I did all my multiplication right. Keep me honest if I didn't. Let me know about it.